Hey everyone, Invader Kitty here, and guess what time it is? My dad and I went to the store earlier today, and we got Church some flea medicine and some worm medicine. Yeah. And I decided to pick this out. It's kitty shampoo. Kitty shampoo. So let's go get the cat. I just gotta. Yeah, I can't tell how it's aimed. Kitty cat back. Church time. Oh, come on. You knew this was going to happen. Calm down. No. I kind of should have got it cut before I did this. No. It's okay. It's just a little bath. Just a little bath. It's just a little bath. Stay. Stay. No. Stay. Stay. You got thing on your butt. Nancy. I thought I took all those off before I got you in here. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Come back over here. And just get a little of this on you. There we go. Ooh, I don't want to be in this water. Oh god. Said you're gonna love this. You're gonna have hairball control now. That's what this shampoo hair. Shh. Need a little more. I'm not exactly sure how this works, but I saw hairball control and I'm like, hey, we could use that. I'm surprised you're not freaking out quite as bad. Last time I threw you in the bathtub. Boy, you better be looking out for your... Hey! No! You just get it all over you. Yes. Ah, that was my butt. I hurt there, you know. Next is your legs. After I figure out how to spread this, because it's not spreading. No, no, no. I do have them legs. This probably feels really weird to you, don't it? Now the back ones. Close that just. You ready, kitty? supposed to use, so get that stomach. It's okay. Let's wash this out. Hold on! I don't even know how you're supposed to tell if you wash it all out of a cat. God, cat, you're so wet looking. It's got an awful look on you. You look terrible. Look at all this fur. That's nasty, cat. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to get in your face. I gotta wash it all off, you know? And I got some on your neck. So. Ah! Calm down. Calm down. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Calm down. No. I got it in my face. It's gonna be okay. Look at all this fur I got out. Don't be angry because I'm trying to help you. Calm down. Back to your break. I'm almost done, okay? I'm almost done. Shh. It's okay, buddy. Are you too cold? Let me pour warm water on you. Stop it! How do you expect me to help you in your hairball? Not at all, eh? Too bad. You are an issue. Look at all this fur. Look at all that fur, cat. Look at all that fur. I gotta rake it out of your tail too. Okay, calm down. Let me get the towel. Stay. Oh. Well, stay. Not yet. Let me get the towel. Where did I put it? Stay. 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 I'm gonna dry you off now. Oh my. Stay there. No. Get on there so you don't get water everywhere. Oh my. Look how terrible you look, all wet. I might have to take the hair dryer. No! Come back here. Oh my, spider. Where'd you come from? I don't know how to dry a cat. Yeah, shake it out. I'm trying to help. Did I help? You're good. Did I help you? You got water all over my camera, sir. Or screen. Get you all dried up now. Oh yeah, no! Stay off my laptop, you're all wet. I don't know how to do this. Okay, cat, calm down. Do I need to take the hairdryer to you? I think I almost got you. No. Stay. I'm trying to get you all dried up, okay? Get the top of your head. I thought you wanted attention. Oh, what's the matter? You're walking weird. You're looking weird. You flicked even more water across my screen. Thank you. I wanted that. Just clean the screen off. Oh! Probably shouldn't have done that with the wet towel. Good boy. I'll use this hand thing. Okay. Poor cat. Here, let me help. Let me help. Let me help. I got a hairdryer. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do this. I don't think this is allowed. But you look mighty cold, cat. I'm sorry. But you need to get a bath. I'm only going to put it on low, okay? There you go. You're an issue. I can't believe you didn't mind getting a bath, but you freaked out when I dried you. Crazy.